In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Evernote for task management. We'll walk through the basic flow of creating a task in Evernote and setting it up so you actually remember to do it, and others can act on it if needed. By the end, you'll know how to turn a simple idea into a clear, trackable task. First, once you're in Evernote, look for the Tasks section. This is usually in the sidebar or along the main navigation. Go ahead and click on Tasks. This takes you to a dedicated area where all your tasks are collected, no matter which note they're attached to. Think of it as your central to-do hub inside Evernote. Next, start a new task by clicking on New Task. This opens a small task editor. It might look simple at first, but this is where you'll add the key details that keep you organized. Begin by typing a clear task name. Make it specific and action-oriented, like Draft Weekly Report, instead of something vague like Work Stuff. A good task name makes it obvious what needs to be done when you scan your list later. Below the name, add a description. Use this area to capture any important context, steps you need to follow, links, decisions you don't want to forget, or quick notes from a meeting. The description helps your future self or anyone you share the task with